This is Richard Toller. This is an intro to this particular video here. It's about some price patterns I featured in this particular book here. Here's the actual entrance to the book. Welcome to the world of trading mini futures. It's all about price patterns, ones I used. There's trading plans on how to get into it. I'm showing you this mainly to introduce this video. I may be skipping around a lot, but you kind of have to overlook some things. Back in April of '02, I had my brain run through a mix masher on ruptured brain aneurysm, and as far as it goes, I'm really quite lucky to be here even. So I want to thank you for your time, and a little patience would really be appreciated. Okay, on with the price pattern video. Okay, here's the first pattern I've had really good luck with. I've called it my 1, 2, 3 up price pattern. It's very simple to catch on a good move. Remember, these have to be in an uptrend. Here's the number 1 point, the number 2 point, and the number 3 point. The key factor here is this number 3 point is higher than this low point of the number 1. The trigger point here on the number 2, when this forms up and you see you've got one going, you put in a buy order good till cancel at right around this point here. In my book I point out you should probably go a couple of ticks above this point here just to be on the safe side. It gets triggered and away you go. One of the key factors of this is you need indicator support. That would be like the MACD, the stochastics, RSI. Those are my particular 3 favorites. You may have your own. As long as they support this move going up, you'll probably make out pretty good. Okay, this pattern here is my all-time favorite, the bull flag. This forms up in an uptrend. You see them in downtrends, but I think they're kind of dangerous to do. You have to be careful with that. This one here forms up here. Here's the start of the flagpole right here. I've used up day to start this flagpole. I've tried a whole lot of different methods, but the up day on the start of flagpole works out always the best, for me anyhow, to determine where this thing could go. Here's the peak of the flagpole right here. To determine how far this thing is going to go, you take the difference between this point and that point, add it to that, and away it'll go, if it takes off. Here's the flag itself. Here's where you put your buy order in, good to cancel. It gets triggered in here somewhere, probably right here. I don't remember actually. This is the British pound back in September of '01. I really don't remember it. I can't find my paperwork on it, but it turned out okay, as you can see. The difference between here and here is what it's going to, chances of it going up are very good. And look at right here. It did indeed do it. So all you have to do is measure the price between the base and the peak of the pole. On these bull flags, it has to be an up day to start this pole. It'll work out really well. Again, notice you got to have indicator support. I like the MACD. It worked well for me. You may have your own, but as long as you have something that you're happy with and it supports these kind of moves. If you don't have that, you better scrap these kind of trades because they're going to go against you, because this wouldn't happen then. Okay, I'll get into some of the others. There's some triangle price patterns I gotta dig out. And there's a bear flag. I gotta find that one. I can't find that one right now, but I will. And I'll get back to you on another video with those indicators. You can find out all about these indicators in my book on my blog site, www.myfuturesblog.com/WP. There's a PDF ebook on there that you can just click on and save it to your site. Do with it as you see fit. It covers all of these indicators here and a whole bunch of rules, how to make a plan. There's a lot of stuff in there. But until then, good trading to all.